Hey beauties, I am KT. Thanks for coming to my video. On this video, we recreate this bomb ass look. Okay, cause who you talking to? Not me. No, yeah, I'm feeling this look. Can you tell? Cause I took my other glove off, but I'm feeling this look. So if y'all wanna know how to recreate this look, please stay tuned. Tell your friend and tell their friend and tell their friend and tell their auntie, their mama, and their cousin, and their best friend to come watch my video and come do this look because it's giving. With the two ponytails, with the hoops. Stop playing with me. No, okay, so here goes the video. Hey y'all, so my brows are already done. Let me go ahead and prime my lid. I feel cute for some reason. So on today's look, on the look that I'm gonna do today, I'm a little nervous. You know, truth be told, I'm nervous every time I have to do a dramatic or like colorful look. I get nervous. In all of my 8 years of doing makeup, I still get nervous when I have to do certain looks, just because it's like you want it to be so right and so nice and just you want it to come out right, and it's scary if it don't. Like, ah. So I'm still, I guess, in my little cut crease phase right now. For some reason, I've been doing cut crease after cut crease after cut crease after cut crease. So today I'm doing another cut crease. Definitely going to be using some of my neon shadow pigments that I got a while ago. I don't remember where I got them from, y'all. I'm really bad with that. I have to do better, I know, but I'm going to be using this neon green today. I have some other colors too, but this is the color I'm going to be using today, and I just took it out just so I can have it on my mind. Where do I start? I'm so nervous. So go through your palettes and find your lime greens. Find all your light greens, lime greens, perfect greens. Just find them. And if you have a neon green, we definitely want to use that. First, I'm going to get me a brush, and I'm going to go with my lightest green possible. That I'm going to use is in the Box of Crayons shadow palette. And we're just going to put this at the top. You can barely see it, but it's a really light lime green. If y'all hear Miss Mama's over here eating, that's my dog, by the way. She's a shorkie. But she's over here eating, and she decides to eat now when I'm recording. Okay. So, then I'm just going to take some of the neon color, and I'm just going to use, it's very loose and, you know, very pigmented. So I'm just going to take what's in the top, and then I'm just going to run that across as well. And you see how it got it a little bit more greener, because it was a little real light, right? But y'all know eyeshadows is layers. So we're going to get these layers together for our colors to come out exactly how we want them. Now that we got that part together, I'm going to take a very small brush, and I'm going to use a black, and we're going to trace our cut crease right here. We're not going to come from our corner. Okay, so now that we have our outline of our cut crease, I'm going to find another small brush. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to use the green in the Box of Crayons palette. Not a lime green, not a dark green, but a green, like straight up green. I take the green, and I'm just going to blend out my black crease with it. My line that I just made. So I'm going to go right on top of it and blend it out real lightly. Keep blending out this. So after blending out the black with the green, it gets a little fugly, but that's okay. And then we're gonna go back in with the lime green. A small brush just for my lime green, but I'm gonna get another brush for my lime green, and this is a different lime green in a James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this to go on top of the green we just put on. And then I'm dipping my first brush back into the top of the neon green, and I'm just going to go over that. I'm going to go back into the black, and then I'm going to go over my cut crease, my outline of my cut crease with the black. And then I'm going to go back with the middle green and just add a little bit more. See, this is what the YouTube girls gonna be telling y'all. You gotta redo this a couple of times, okay? It's not just wham bam and it's done. But I got y'all back. But now that I know, I'm gonna put y'all on game. You see that? So then I'm gonna go back with my light green and blend it out some more. Okay, so boom. Now we can start cutting the crease. Okay. I like to go ahead and put my concealer there just so I can kind of see what's going on already. Cause I told y'all I'd be nervous. Okay. Okay. Okay, and wipe off my brush so I can do my other eye. Okay. I need a flat eyeshadow brush. The Box of Crayons palette, I'm using the lime green in that palette. And we're just gonna cover our lid with. Okay, then right on top of that, you wanna take your neon color. Wow. Like, his eye is really green. And I'm just taking the lightest green again, and I'm kind of going over the neon color with it. Wow. I just can't help but say wow right now, because what's really going on my face? Why did I decide to do this? Yeah, if this look comes out bomb, I am a fucking master worker. Because right now, I'm very scared. I mean, I'm very scared. Because what is this? Like, real talk, y'all. Like, what am I doing? I'm gonna do my face part, and then we're gonna come back on these eyes, y'all, because I'm debating about instead of going or doing something else. Hold on. Okay, so after doing my face a little bit, I feel a little better about the eye. I'm gonna start with this eyeliner. So I'm taking my lightest green and I'm pushing out the eyeshadow in the front so that it's not a hard stop from where like I added my concealer and foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to take this angle brush and I'm going to go into my black eyeshadow and I'm going to smoke out this part. I think that's okay, move on to the next side. Okay, and then at the bottom is just simple black liner. And then I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and I'm just going to buff out my liner. Okay, let me dust this off. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with my really bright blush in the color Strawberry. And I'm going to reapply that. For the lashes, they're kind of like literally only on the side. So I'm going to cut like this much of a lash. I'm just going to apply that right on the end. I do have two moles on my face. It's weird when I can't see them, so I always redot them. Because I just feel like I don't look like myself if you can't see my moles. Like, you see something you think it's me, look for these moles and you'll know it's me. Like, without them, it's not me. And yeah, they are my real moles. I really was born with these two moles on my face. Like, right in the middle of my eyes and one on my chin. Like, I'm that special. So I'm going in with my MAC chestnut pencil to line my lips. I'm going to use this Morphe lipstick in True Story. Now I'm going to let that dry. And I'm going to add my mascara. So I went ahead, took off my scarf, and I blended my line that I had got up there. I added some glow, a little glow, and I relined my lips with this LA Girl pencil in the color brown. It's like the darkest one that I have ever found, so I haven't done anything else to my lips. So I'm going to go ahead and add this NYX Karaoke. Add it in the center and blend it. We pretty much done with our face. Are y'all feeling it? Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it. This is my finished look. I hope you guys really like it because I'm in love. Now I'm feeling this look. Like, where I'm going, I don't know. But I like this look. No, y'all, this is serving. Like, this is serving. If somebody tell you it's not, they just hating because it's giving. So thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all recreate this look, and please tag me in it. I'm going to be tagging my inspiration in mine, so just, you know, let me see. I just want to see, you know, how well the techniques are going. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Maybe let me know some things you want to see in the future. I'm always down. Follow me on Instagram at IamKT to see other things that I be doing, other looks I be doing that don't make it to YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys again.